Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have my iPad here and of course this will be applied to the iPad A16, iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Pro, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so the first thing I do guys are to teach you today is I'm going to teach you how to adjust the text size. Alright, so if text size is not to your liking and of course you want them larger, for example here you can notice the size of the text. In case you, especially for those who can't see this fine text, you can adjust the text, go to display and brightness. Once you're here guys, go to text size, it's right there. So go ahead and tap on text size. You'll see the slider here. It's by default roughly halfway through, right where it says adjust, it's right above there. And if you want to make the text larger, simply slide the slider up. So as you can see guys, we can increase the largeness of the text. You can see the effect over here and it can get very large, or of course you can adjust it down. So just in case you need this to be larger or smaller, simply go ahead and increase, and once you increase, as you see, the text becomes larger. So if we go on settings here, it's very apparent and everything is much larger. Or of course if you don't like how it looks, you can always adjust it back down, and of course halfway would be right there where it says adjust, between the text that says here adjust, and this is halfway through. That's a default. All right, so you can adjust it more or less to your liking. All right, so hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.